Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I do my simple makeup using only 5 products. I usually do this makeup when I work the morning shift or I don't know, when I'm in a hurry. Today I'm actually working the afternoon shift, but I got my brows laminated the day before yesterday, and I have to wait 48 hours before putting anything on them. If I can't do my brows, why do a full face? So I figured that I will film this video for you. Hopefully it helps anyone. Yeah, this look usually takes me around 10 minutes if I'm not filming. If you're into makeup and you would like to see more videos from me, I would kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, let's get started. The first product that I'm going to use today is concealer. I'm going to use this one by Urban Decay, the Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 40NN. I choose concealer to be one of the 5 products that I use when I'm in a hurry because it makes you look more awake. And I'm just going to apply a little bit here. Here I have the most discoloration. And in my other corner. And maybe just a tiny bit here on my smile line. And to blend you can either use a sponge, a brush, or just your fingers. I'm going to use my fingers just to keep the look as simple as possible. And when I use my finger, I don't drag the product like this, I tap it, so I will not move the coverage. And I just tap 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 tap, and I blend it on my lid as well to serve as an eyeshadow base and also to cancel out any darkness that I have on my lids. Whatever is left on my finger, I'm going to blend on my nose to get rid of that redness on my nose. The second product that I'm going to use is cream blush. This is the Fenty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade 4, Crush on Cupid. You can obviously adjust these products according to your face, your needs. When it comes to my face, I'm quite pale, so I would prefer to wear a blush. And the cream blush is ideal when you're not wearing a full face of makeup, because it sits better on your natural skin. You have oils and I don't know, moisturizer and stuff on your skin, so powder blush might cling to that moisture and will look a little bit patchy. So a cream blush will look the most natural. You can obviously use your finger as well to apply the cream blush, but I prefer using a brush. As a brush you kind of need something that's more dense. As you can see, the hairs are really packed tight in this brush. This one is from Morphe, it has no number. And I'm taking the blush on the brush. And what I like to do is take off some of that excess on my hand and then apply it on my face, keeping it kind of on the sides of the face. And that makes me look a little bit healthier. Again, I'm stamping the product, I'm not really dragging around. You can maybe replace the blush with a bronzer or whatever makes you feel more pull together. The third product I'm using is a loose powder. This is the RCMA No Color Powder. I moved it in another jar because the original jar is quite hard to use. I'm going to take the powder on my brush. I usually like using eye blending brushes for setting the under eyes. And this is a Makeup Addiction Dual Fiber Blender. But before setting, I'm going to make sure there are no creases, as they usually are. Taking the powder and setting right away. When I use concealer, it's very important for me to use a powder right after, because otherwise the fine lines are going to be so much more accentuated. I'm also going to set my eyelids. I'm really getting into those lines. I'm stamping the powder to make sure that the concealer stays in place all day long. The fourth product for me is an eyeshadow palette. You can maybe replace the eyeshadow palette with an eyeliner or just skip eye makeup and apply mascara right away. That depends on your preferences. I like my eyes to stand out a little bit more, so that's why I prefer to use an eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to do a very simple look. First I'm going to need the transition shade. I'm going to use this one, which is called Substitute for Love. And I'm going to pick it up on a Sigma E25 brush, dusting off the excess. And I'm going to apply this on my outer corner. And after I lay down the pigment, I can start blending into my crease. I want the main concentration of the shadow to be in my outer corner. picking up a little bit more and applying it on my lower lash line as well. Next I'm going to pick up a lid shade, that's going to be the sweeter end shade. I prefer using a shimmer, but you can totally go for a matte shade on the lid. And I'm picking up with the Juvia's Place 005 small buffer brush. And I'm just stamping this on my lid. And also a little bit on my lower lash line. And lastly, I will take the shade Beans Are White. I'm going to take it on an angled brush. This is a Makeup Addiction small angled brush. Pick up the shade, dust out the excess. And with my eyes open, I'm going to draw a line to continue my lower lash line. And then connecting that to my lid. Again, keeping my eyes open, I'm drawing kind of a straight line. The fifth and last product that I'm going to use is the Benefit The Real Magnet Mascara. Oh, actually mascara, you can use whatever mascara, but I like my Benefit one. I like applying it like from the top first to make my lashes a little bit darker, and then I can start applying it like I usually do. From the base, I'm doing left and right motions to coat every lash. And a little bit on my lower lashes. And this is the look all complete. Of course, for the eye makeup, I switch it up. I sometimes maybe apply the darker shadow again on my outer corner to intensify and skip the liner thing. That depends on the day and on my mood. But this is pretty much it. I really hope this video was useful for you. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. I'm going to head to work. I hope you're having an amazing day or evening, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!